Never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell.
What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shivangi.
I am Rohit.
And today we are in Goa. We've been in Goa for 2 days now. This is the third day we're staying in this beautiful property named Cabo Sarai. And I'm gonna take you through everything, but first room tour. So we are in our luxury called Cabo Sarai. And as soon as you enter, onto the left side you have a bookshelf with a lot of books options, and then we have a small seating area where you can sit and chill and also read, because I'll show you what's on the other side. Then we have a very interesting tea counter where you have Assam tea, green tea and also Darjeeling tea. And there's a coffee machine, tea machine, cups, coffee, Goan black jaggery and coconut palm jaggery. So there's just everything with a kettle over here to make a chai for yourself. Now onto the interesting part of the cottage. We have this really cute sofa over here and an open balcony. So you can sit here, and that's what I was telling. If you sit there, you sort of get this view when you read or have chai or anything, and we've really been enjoying this. How cool is this? I love the vibrant colors. And of course the whole property is so earthy, and there are lamps everywhere, like there's one over there. And then we have this huge pathway off the balcony with again 2 chairs and a small table over here. And this is basically our room's view. We're gonna show you the room in a bit, but this is the view. So let's get into our room. Alright, so as soon as you enter, onto the left side you have a table with water, cups, and there's a small fridge with a Caesar and an opener. And this is our cozy, nice bed with a chair in front of it. Onto the right side we have a study table with a chair. And like you can see, the view that we just showed you outside is the view of our bed and the study table. And ये वाला जो door है, this also can be opened up, and this is your view from the bed. Onto the other side of the bed, we have a small mirror, a bench to sit on, and there's a lamp again over there with Rohi's shoes there. And over here we have a small trunk where you can open and keep your stuff. So the most favorite part of the property for me has to be their restroom area. Like, this is just something else. It's so bohemian and has got a very different vibe to it. Over here, as soon as you enter, is a big mirror, a wash basin, and a cabinet there just to put your stuff and everything. So onto this side we have the shower area. Of course there's an open area, so you have to lock this door. So this is the shower area, which is so cool, and you can oversee the nature. And over here is the washroom, which of course nothing fancy, but the view is crazy again. Then a very cute setup with a ladder which has all the towels, like your shower towels and your hand towels and everything over here. And then they have this storage where we have stuffed all our stuff, like our bags and everything's there. And what's very cute is this beach bag. So we already have stuff in there because the next plan is to go to the beach. And you also have a fan in case, because there's no ceiling fan over here, so you have a fan in case you feel hot while getting ready and stuff. You can switch this on. And look at how cutely this is placed. The bathrooms, so cute. From the cottage you have to get down a few steps to go to the pool or to go to the beach. And right now we're going to the pool, and I'll show you how cute and cozy the pool is. So right before that they also have this lounge area where you can sit, read books or do whatever. This is also overseeing the beach, and I'm gonna take you through the pool. It's like a really narrow passage from where you have to go to the pool, and there are trees all around, like you can see over here. Like, you get out from here and then there's a pool. It's an infinity pool. So yeah, that's how it looks like. It's overseeing the beach over there, then there are trees in between, and this is the pool. What's up guys? So right now we are going towards the beach, and I'll show you. So it's a very similar way from the resort to the beach. So you basically have to walk down for 5 minutes to reach the beach, but quite convenient, and you have people in between guiding you and helping you. And agar aap chaho to you can also take the buggy and go. I have Ro with me because He's very busy. He has work emergencies since 3 days happening and we're in Goa. So, you know, it's the connected beach and there's really less crowd, which is like the best part. So this is how it looks like. You know, एक ही रास्ता है, कुछ भी अलग नहीं है, तो you would not get lost or anything. Why are you coming like that? I was just telling that Rohi is busy. He has business emergency since past 3 days. Because you have to be like really careful and be prepared for like some steps and wearing like a comfortable footwear. Like in general, सारे resort में ही आपको काफी चलना पड़ता है, which is very good for a wellness retreat resort because it's built on a cliff. तो इसलिए एक बहुत ही comfortable से जूते चप्पल पहन के रखना to do this. For us, we wearing these. View is luscious, tall coconut trees, and we're going down.
We also have to come up, so that is something you have to be prepared for.
And all along the way, कहीं पे पपीता के trees है, काजू के trees है, then there's aloe vera, and so many such things are there जो हमने देखी है. But and यहाँ पे भिंडी उग रही है, lady finger. Right outside the property you have kayaking, which is externally chargeable, but it's very cute and the views are even serene. Look at that. And now we're going towards the beach. So you have this entrance and there's a beach, which is just like 5 minutes walk down from the resort. Very accessible, like you can see. यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. There are hardly any people here. We have 2 yoga shalas. One is this one, which is on the ground floor. So over there is the beach and that's the entrance. And this is the yoga shala. And there you have the changing room and everything over there. Like one is on the top, which is called Top Deck Yoga Shala. I wanted to talk about the sundowner that we had. So basically, it's on the cliff end, and you can, you know, you're seeing the beach, and that's where they arrange the candle lights and you know, your choice of snacks and your choice of drinks. If you want to have alcohol, non-alcohol, whatever that you want to have, you'll have to inform them before. This is of course chargeable separately. But it is so Pinteresty, so dreamy. This was beyond our imagination. Like we didn't think we were going to get into something like this, but it was mind-blowing. And both of us really enjoyed it. We were there almost for an hour and a half. It was so dreamy. So dress well and do book that if you're here in the property. Of course, I mean, the staff is going to be there for you to sort of help you with the pictures and anything else that you need in general. So yeah, don't miss out on that one experience. What's up guys, so we're just back from that dreamy date, and what we've come back to is this pampering Upton, which basically you know, they provide to all of their guests every single day. It clearly reads as to what you have to do with it, and there are these 3 ingredients. Please ignore the mess. And over here is the another reminder to gargle with salt and lukewarm water in the night. They've also left 2 cups here. What's up guys?
We have come to the saddest part of the trip. We are checking out from this beautiful property. बिल्कुल मन नहीं है. Literally the experience had been amazing. Like everything was top notch as always. You know, जो हम expect करते हैं एक property से, सब कुछ beautifully है. Right from their property, then their staff, the way they want their clients to get the experience is amazing. मतलब आप, if you want something, room service is as quick as anything.
Although it's on a cliff, like I said before, we are basically, the property is basically situated on a mountain, and you know, so if you need anything, they'll have to bring it from downstairs, from the reception, and from like the other you know,
parts
storage areas that they have. But they're so quick. You ask them for anything, they're there. They're very accommodative. Services are beyond your imagination. Like you ask them for anything, they're there. You need anything, like I was not well this morning and you know, I couldn't eat properly, so they were like, ma'am aapne to kuch khaya hi nahi aaj, kuch aur kha lo, you know. So they gave us very homely treatment, made us feel at home. We would highly recommend, you know, trying this property out. If you're planning Goa trip next, come to Cabo Sarai. It's located at Kavudirama Beach, and I'm going to leave all the details in the description below so you guys can check out the tariff and you know, anything that you need for this. And if you enjoyed watching this video and if you have any questions, then just drop your comments.
This will give you a very different
Very
side of
offbeat Goa experience.
You will definitely love it. So if you like the video, do like, share, subscribe and forward it to your friends.